Hello! To use Camera Pro Mode on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all we have to go into our camera application, and now let's go into the Pro Mode right here. And here you have a lot of different parameters to set up, and you can learn about these parameters by pressing this information icon in the top left corner. And here we have all the future descriptions, as you can see. And here we have the white balance. We can also set focus, shutter speed, ISO sensitivity, I believe, and this is the exposure. And you can set all these parameters to automatic, and the default value for the exposure is the 0. Here we have also ultra wide lens, and here is the regular lens. And you can it also changes the options available are here in the ultra wide lens. Here, these are the options, and in the regular lens we can set up the Ultra HD mode, the 50 megapixels mode, and yeah, basically that's it. And here we have the other parameters to set up, the saturation, contrast and sharpness. And if you made some changes and you want to reset, you have the reset button. And the same applies to these parameters. If we set up something and we want to go back to defaults, we have this button right here to reset parameters. Also, right here we can apply filters to our pictures, and we have also as we set up the parameters and we want to save it, right here in this button, under this button right here, we have the parameter presets, and we can add our parameters, we can name it. Here we have the preview of the parameters. We can select no parameters, no preset. We can also import presets, and here are some free already imported in this phone presets: the slow shutter, quick snap and documentary. Alright, let's now change it to the camera mode, and right here we can change it to we can change the video resolution, we can change the FPS of our video, and here we have the audio recording sound, I mean volume, as you can see. And basically here are all the same parameters to set as in the regular camera mode. And basically that would be all about the Camera Pro mode. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.